Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about this. So this is a Sony wireless shooting grip. If you don't know about this, please watch this video until the end. Let's go. This is a great accessory for everyone who wants to improve their handheld shooting, whether you are a vlogger, a photographer, or just someone who wants to take better pictures. The Sony wireless shooting grip is a small lightweight device that attaches to the bottom of your camera. It has built-in Bluetooth remote control that allows you to control your camera shutter release, zoom, and record buttons without having to touch the camera itself. To use the Sony wireless shooting grip, first attach it to the bottom of your camera. Then the grip will automatically pair with the camera. Once the grip is paired with the camera, you can use the remote control to control the camera's shutter release, zoom, and record buttons. To take pictures, simply press the shutter release button on the grip. To zoom in and out, press the zoom button on the grip. To start or to stop recording a video, press the record button on the grip as well. The Sony wireless shooting grip also has a built-in tilt function that allows you to tilt the camera up or down. To tilt the camera, simply press the tilt button on the grip. The Sony wireless shooting grip is a great accessory for anyone who wants to improve their handheld shooting. It's easy to use and it's a great way to get more creative with your photography and videography. Once more, here's some additional tips for using this Sony wireless shooting grip. Make sure the grip is securely attached to the camera. Have fun and be creative.